Florida continues to see an alarming case increase, and one expert today called Miami the new epicenter of the pandemic.
The spike in cases is putting an enormous amount of stress on frontline workers in our hospitals. CBS 4's Peter Dench is in Miami with what health experts say has to happen to control the spread.
Health experts say there are a number of key factors leading to a spike in the coronavirus here in South Florida, but they are emphatic about one issue, saying we should all be much more responsible.
I think the issue is the principles of spreading of this virus has not changed. The scientific evidence is very clear.
Dr. Tanira Ferreira says people are not taking COVID-19 seriously enough by wearing face masks and staying at least 6 feet away from each other.
It's person-to-person spread. It is on the behavior of the people by not wearing a mask, by not adhering to social distance and other forms of hygienization.
During this virtual press conference with Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Jimenez, FIU infectious diseases specialist Dr. Eileen Marty says people must follow the guidelines to curb cases of the coronavirus.
There is growing evidence, and there has been over the last 2 months, that there is a significant amount of virus that is in aerosol. In other words, 5-micron size.
Teeny, tiny droplets, and these accumulate when people just breathe, and that has to happen when we are anywhere.
Masks, she says, are a lifesaver.
If we're not wearing masks, as happens, for example, in indoor spaces such as restaurants, we run into this major problem of accumulating amounts of virus that's floating around in the air, which makes those indoor spaces very, very dangerous. That's the main reason that we are where we are.
Prompting others on the panel to offer this advice.
Avoiding touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. And definitely to cover your nose while you're sneezing. Disinfect high-touch surfaces, and definitely, like Dr. Avila mentioned, to stay home with your sick. As soon as you begin exhibiting signs and feeling signs and symptoms of COVID-19, you should let your immediate family and those that you have been in close contact with.
Dr. Marty says more coronavirus contact tracers are needed, along with better questionnaires, more testing, and more experienced staffs.
This is everyone's work. We are in this together. We need a unified response.
Mayor Jimenez said he did not want to go backwards and reorder more closures to help flatten the curve. He said everyone should act like they have the coronavirus and wear masks and socially distance in order to protect others. In Miami, Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.